Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is a video on the TLM coin as requested by many subscribers. You know, in my history that I have predicted so many times about the TLM, so I thought I make a video today. So let's make a fresh start here. If I take a look at the areas, yeah, white color, that's good. Okay, this is a 4-hour chart. Okay guys, so I'm gonna draw the levels first. I'm gonna draw the levels here. So we have this area, and you can see we have you can see this is an area of support. Previously it was support here, and now after that it behaved as a resistance, and now I think this candle, which is in process, which is in making here, you can take a look at here. Right now 2 hours are left, and we need this candle to close above this area. That is, let me show you this one. Okay, this one, the price needs to close above 0.1292. Then it means that we have successfully uh, successfully broke this area. We have successfully, but it's gonna only happen when this candle is going to close above this area. So that is the first target. So you can see here, if we take a look at the Bitcoin, let me show you. I made a video yesterday, and you can see here it is trying to break out this trend line. So if we break out this trend line and close above 34,849, then we would be going to this area here at this level, 35,000, 36,000 we might see. So that's a good area. Today is Monday, and we might see some volatility, and this is the one option, this is the one area. Okay, the next target would be, let me find out the targets here. You can see here we have this area as the swing low. I'm gonna mark this one. This one would be our next target. Okay, this one would be our next area. Let me show you here. Let me show you. Come on, man. Okay, this one. Okay, so this would be our next target. And if I go continue, we have this is swing low. Then moving on, we have this as a swing low. This could also be taken into swing low as well, because we got multiple areas of rejection here as well. So that would be our next target after that. So these are the zones. Okay guys, just bear with me. These are the zones. You have to mark out the zones, then you can set the targets. So these are the target areas for the TLM coin. And after that we have this as a zone as well. Here I'm gonna mark out the price from here as well. So right now this would be the pattern if the price continues to break these levels. But first, how is it gonna happen? This candle needs to close above. Okay, and then we might see a move on the upside, and then a rejection from this angle. Then we might see some sideways movement, then a move on the upside, and price is gonna move to this area. Then it's gonna come down, rejection, and then it's gonna move like this. Okay, like this one, then again rejection, then a move up. So that's how the price moves. You can see here how the price came up. The price came up to this level, then came down. Okay, then it tried to break, but unfortunately didn't. Then again came down, and then you can see here the price went up, and now we might see a rejection or a consolidation at this phase. So that's how the price behaves, guys. Okay, this is purely on the basis of technical analysis. Now if we follow this same pattern, the price target here would be this one, 2.0.25. but a lot of people have asked me when it's gonna reach the $1 area. $1 area, here it is, the $1 mark. And if we take a look at the $1 mark, that is, the price needs to go up approximately from this area. We might need, let me zoom out a bit. Let me zoom out a bit here. Just take a look at yourself, guys. Okay, you can see here $1 we need 700% pump, and that is only possible during the bullish season. I would be straightforward with you guys, okay? I would not be posting any fake videos like the TLM is going to this and that, okay? But I would be honest with you guys. Right now the TLM is near this area of 0.13. Yeah, you can do the day trading on these areas. You can do the day trade, but in order to reach the $1, okay? In order to reach the $1 here, let me increase the size of the label. Okay, in order to in order to reach the $1 mark, we need to TLM needs to move approximately 7 to 4%, 700%. That is 7x from this amount, from this area. And if we take a look during the bullish season, let me show you during the bullish season what happened. From this area it went up to this level. That happened during the bullish area, and that only made 300%. So if we take this same area like this one, if I zoom out a bit, you can see here we got this as a 300% move. So if we can expect the same move from here, let me show you 300%. Let me delete this one again, and let me just select this area again. Let me check the 300% or 350%. That would lead us to around this area, because we have multiple areas here as the support level or resistance level, you can say. So we can reach 0.5 if in coming days we can, if the price of BTC gets to 40,000, 36,000 or something like that, then we can reach the price of $0.5, because it still needs 300%, and for that to reach, the volume needs to be increased as well. If I turn on, let me show you the coin market cap. You see here 128% rise in the volume, and due to this rise in volume, although it is very low, $98 million is not that much. In order to reach the $1, this price, this volume needs to reach approximately into 3-digit figures, at least from above above 500 million. So that is the scenario of the TLM. And if we take a look at the BTC, you see it is getting rejected from this 34,849. But anyhow, that is the situation of the TLM, guys. Right now you can do the day trade. If you are a long-term holder, just hold your coins and do nothing, just hold your coins. If you have bought at $1 or something like this one, just hold. That is the only option you have. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.